At GreenThumb, we believe your lawn deserves the very best. That's why we've created the Ultimate Lawn Care Programme, a full-service lawn care plan that gives you a lawn you'll love all year round. This program is ideal for lawns that need or want that extra level of attention. Whether you've got a high-quality ornamental lawn or one that's been through a bit of stress, such as pest damage, disease, or serious wear and tear, don't worry if you're not sure what your lawn needs. We'll assess its condition and advise whether the Ultimate Programme is the best choice for you. As part of the Ultimate Programme, your lawn receives a full year of expert care. With 4 seasonal Nutri-Green feeds, your grass will get exactly what it needs at the right time to stay strong, healthy, and vibrant throughout the year. We'll also take care of aeration and scarification, which relieves soil compaction, remove thatch, control moss, and breathe new life into tired or patchy lawns. To give your lawn an extra edge, we apply our Nutra Booster treatment, helping it handle stress, strengthen its root system, and stay resilient from the inside out. Water conservation is also a crucial part of maintaining a lush green lawn, so you'll get our Oasis treatment included in the programme. Alongside its biostimulants with seaweed extract, Oasis helps your lawn by making the most of any available moisture, meaning you'll have less watering to do, even during dry spells. Once a year, we'll also overseed your lawn to thicken it up naturally, helping to crowd out weeds and moss. This is followed by a layer of top dressing, which protects new seed. It nourishes young shoots and improves the soil structure underneath, whether it's heavy clay or sand. Of course, we'll always keep a close eye out for any signs of pests and disease. And if anything crops up, you're fully covered. We'll step in quickly with targeted treatments to keep your lawn looking healthy and looking its best. Put simply, with all these treatments combined, your grass will stay greener, grow stronger, and maintain its density throughout the seasons. And because every lawn is unique, the Ultimate Programme can include between 8 and 12 visits per year, depending on your lawn's specific needs. So, if you're passionate about having the very best lawn, choose the Ultimate Lawn Care Programme from GreenThumb. Because if you want the ultimate lawn, you need the ultimate answer.